Now, my favorite way to do this is with Stitch Witchery, which is this really great product that is basically a double-sided fusible web that comes on a roll, and it comes in lots of different widths. I'm using a 1/4 inch width because our zipper tape is pretty narrow. And I actually use this to baste the zipper in place. You could pin the zipper in place, but it's hard to pin it without getting a little bit of shifting or bunching, and I find that this really allows me to get sort of perfect zipper results. So the way to use this is to cut 2 pieces that are the length of your zipper tape. This is a little bit of a delicate process because this Stitch Witchery is so light that it kind of wants to blow away on you sometimes. So it just requires a little bit of patience, and we're going to actually put this together back at the ironing board. So I'm going to lay down my zipper with the Stitch Witchery aligned on the edges of the tape. And you want to make sure that it's on the outer edge of the tape, not getting too close to the zipper teeth because you don't want it to show through your window. And now you have to just kind of like hope it doesn't blow away while you're doing the rest of this. And then just gently place the window over the zipper. And then I usually kind of peel it back and make sure that nothing's shifted. You want to make sure that the Stitch Witchery is not showing through the window because that would be visible in your finished bag, which we don't want. But you also want to make sure it's not slipping off the edge of the zipper tape because then you'll actually fuse it to your ironing board, which we also don't want. So, okay, I think we're good here. And now we're just going to fuse this with the iron. And it takes, anywhere from 3 seconds to maybe 10 seconds. And it's kind of just a matter of the temperature of your iron and the thickness of your fabric. If you've got a real thick fabric, it takes longer for the heat to penetrate through and actually activate that fusible web. And once you get used to working with materials like fusible web and interfacing, you really get a feel for how long they take to fuse. The important thing to know right now is that this metal zipper gets really hot after I'm ironing it. It's as hot as the iron. So you really want to be careful that you don't burn yourself by touching the zipper right now. Sometimes at this point, honestly, I let it sit for a minute and walk away and work on something else and then come back, just so I don't accidentally burn myself. But I think we're good to go. We're fused. And now the next step is we're going to top stitch all around this window.